Hi, what's up, lovable students of my channel? Today is the 7th day, at least 1 week of my speaking challenge, up to 30 days. Every day we are just trying to speak at least 60 seconds with the purpose of enhancing our speaking skills. So today I'm going to be talking about the people who had a huge inspirational effect in my life, throughout my life. One of them was my big brother, who had a important role in motivating me towards fitness, helping me develop a positive attitude towards a healthier lifestyle. What is more, another brother of mine guided me on a spiritual path, deepening my understanding and connection to my beliefs. What is more, in addition to this, my father too, helped me to explore critical thinking and helped me to overcome language learning barrier, deepening my understanding and exploring the new horizons as well. And there is also someone special in my life, but I won't mention that person, which helped me to be inspired in a unique way. All these inspirational effects have shaped who I am today, and hopefully in the not so far future I do my best and grind further afield. All you need to do is just stay tuned for more videos.